This presentation, we ask, what is technical analysis? And we also ask, why does it matter? So what is technical analysis? And what's the difference between that and fundamental analysis? Technical analysis is the analysing of price patterns. They look at price charts and patterns to anticipate future price movements and trading opportunities. They use trends and indicators. They rely on them to identify when to buy and sell assets in the market. And they also focus on market behaviour. Technical analysts observe the actions of traders in the market, much like watching shoppers to judge a store's success. Fundamental analysts, however, focus on things like company earnings, economic data, and news to assess value. If you think about it, to give you an example, if you imagine that you're watching people walk into a shop, a fundamental analyst might ask, what's the shop's revenue? What's the rent? However, a technical analyst would watch the crowd and say, people keep coming back. Something's working. I wonder what that is. So why does technical analysis matter? It matters because it helps with the timing of entry and exit and how to choose optimal times to enter and exit those trades, improve your decision making and your effectiveness. It also helps you identify trends early. And let's face it, spotting early trends allows you to make more money. Momentum allows market participants to act quickly and capture more of the market moves. It also helps you to manage risk objectively. Stop losses are so important, and chart signals in technical analysis enable systematic risk management and helps you avoid emotional trading. Let's bust some of those chart myths. It's just squiggles and lines, isn't it? No, not exactly. Charts reflect market psychology. They're more than just lines. They reveal the underlying psychology driving market participants' buying and selling actions. But it's only for day traders. No, technical analysis is for everyone and for all time frames. Long-term investors use it for better timing and risk management. But it's not very scientific. While it's not predictive, it is based on probabilities, patterns, and crowd behaviour. Hang on, you need fancy software. No, actually you don't. You don't need complex tools. You don't need sophisticated software to start. You can just start looking at a basic chart, and just curiosity is enough for effective analysis. Technical analysis in your toolkit. It allows you to use practical decision-making tools by interpreting trends and movements. I'm going to give you an example here. If somebody is watching, for example, the trend in the FTSE 100, and they've been watching it and seeing that the trend has been rising steadily over several weeks, and using technical analysis skills, they notice the following. The index is producing higher highs and higher lows, and that is a classic sign of an uptrend. The 55-day moving average is sloping upwards and price is consistently above there. Volume is increasing on up days, suggesting strong buying interest. Now, this is a practical decision-making tool because the trader is using these signals to decide it's a good time to enter a long position. What the trader is doing is interpreting trends and movement rather than just relying on headlines or economic forecasts. The trader is actually reading the market's behaviour directly. And if the trend weakens, let's say, for example, price breaks below that moving average, they might use that as a reason to exit or tighten their stop. So what the STA offers is a supportive learning community. It's an inclusive environment. The community welcomes members of all skill levels, promoting a sense of belonging and shared purpose. It also offers continuous development, and members gain access to educational resources and networking opportunities to support ongoing learning and professional growth. We have monthly meetings and we have a bi-yearly journal. Active engagement helps individuals stay motivated and connected in the technical analysis field. Lastly, this presentation is only for educational purposes. But if you would like to learn more about further resources and information about technical analysis, please visit our website www.technicalanalysis.com. Thank you.